Getting a job offer on Upwork could be very hard, especially the first one. In this video, I would like to talk about how I brute forced my first offer on Upwork as a self-taught web developer. Hi, I'm Peng Fei. I'm top-rated class Upwork freelancer. First of all, I would like to talk about my background. I'm currently living in Zhenjiang, a small city in China. Before I moved to Zhenjiang, I worked in Shanghai in different fields such as enterprise resource planning, machine learning, deep learning, DevOps, and backend development. So why I decided to start freelancing, and especially freelancing on Upwork? The city I live, Zhenjiang, is a small city. The cost of living is relatively low. You can live a very decent life in about $100 a month. But there's a problem. There's no opportunity for a software engineer. None of my friends or relatives know programming. And actually, none of them can read or understand English. So if I want to work in the tech field here, I need to find my market somewhere else, remotely. After investigating the global market on the internet, I found web development has a high demand and has a lot of opportunities to work remotely. I already have experience in Node.js and Python, and I have strong fundamentals for data structure and algorithm. Actually, I designed and implemented a compilation engine from scratch for one of my previous companies when I worked in Shanghai. It takes me about a few months to learn some React and CSS and create some projects for demonstration. I also learned some other skills such as web design, graphic design, copywriting along the way, which turns out these skills are also very useful for freelancing in general. Before I started on Upwork, I actually tried freelancing on some other sites. I created a gig on Fiverr, but got no impression or click. I applied people per hour, but got rejected. Upwork is also very difficult for a new freelancer to find a job. But unlike the sites I mentioned before, I can see what jobs clients post, which means I can apply the job actively. And after sending some proposals but got no response, I know that the competition for web development is very high on Upwork. I know I have no chance to get a job if my proposal is mediocre. So here comes my strategy, which is brute force. I will check every job post related to web development. I will ask myself the question, can I start the job and get the final result based on the current description without further clarification? If no, I will not waste time on this job and find the next one. If yes, I will estimate how much time to finish the job. If it takes more than a few hours, I will give up this job and check the next job. Otherwise, I will start working on the job. After finishing the job, I will send a proposal along with the finished result to my potential client, so I can differentiate myself and other freelancers and prove I'm the best fit to the client for this job. 2 weeks after I started applying my strategy, I got my first offer on Upwork from a client from United States. He viewed my result and said, "Yes, that's perfect," and sent me the offer without even interviewing me. And of course, I got a 5-star review. So that's my experience to get my first offer on Upwork by brute force. Tell me what you think in the comments. Bye bye.